You might think that domestic travel is exempt from the high-tech hurdles of international borders, but in 2026, the biometric trap is coming to your local terminal. Your physical ID is becoming a backup, and your face is officially your new domestic boarding pass. If you want to avoid the longest security lines of the decade, you need to understand how every step of your next flight has changed. Commuters and weekly business travelers, tip: start treating your face as your primary ID for domestic security checkpoints. To maximize speed, ensure your airline app has your updated biometric profile linked before you even leave for the airport. Fact: by 2026, traditional documents are being replaced by fully biometric systems where your face and fingerprints are scanned at every single step of the journey, including domestic gates. We recently saw a frequent flyer at a major domestic hub who insisted on using their physical driver's license at every checkpoint. While the biometric scanners were processing passengers in seconds, this traveler was funneled into a manual verification line. Because staffing for physical ID checks has been slashed to prioritize the new tech, they watched 3 entire boarding groups pass them by while waiting for a single human officer to verify their plastic ID. Families and occasional vacationers. Tip: resist the urge to opt out of the digital scan during domestic boarding unless you have a critical legal reason. The convenience of privacy in this instance comes with a heavy time tax. Fact: the manual verification line is expected to grow dramatically as more airports transition to the 2026 biometric strategy. A family of 4 traveling for a holiday recently opted out of the facial scan at the gate, fearing the biometric trap. They were moved to a side queue for manual document checking. By the time a supervisor was available to cross-reference their paper boarding passes with their IDs, the overhead bin space on their flight was completely gone, and they were forced to gate-check their carry-ons, adding an extra hour to their arrival. Tech-savvy travelers and efficiency hackers. Tip: embrace the digital fast pass mindset. For the fastest domestic transit, use the biometric lane not just for security, but for lounge entry and aircraft boarding to create a completely touchless experience. Fact: the new strategy aims for a journey where face scans replace every physical boarding pass and ID check from the curb to the seat. Think of the digital-first traveler in 2026. They walk through the airport without ever reaching for a wallet or a phone. Their face is scanned at the security kiosk, the Sky Club entrance, and the boarding gate. They avoid the longer lines and the risk of being denied boarding due to lost paperwork. For them, the biometric trap isn't a trap at all. It's a high-speed bypass around the chaos of traditional travel. Whether you're flying across the ocean or just to the next state, the rules of the terminal have changed. Don't let your fear of new tech land you in a 2-hour manual verification line. Master the biometric shift now, or prepare to be the last person to board every single flight. Your face is your ticket. Don't get left behind. Quick favor, like and subscribe for smarter travel tips.